How to be anonymous on internet. There are 7 ways to stay anonymous. Number 7. Adblock. Use Adblock. Adblock is a content filtering and ad blocking browser extension for the Google Chrome, Apple Safari, desktop and mobile, Firefox, Opera, and Microsoft Edge web browsers. Number 6. Proxy server. Use proxy servers. A proxy server helps the clients to protect their important information from getting hacked by hackers. Double of personalized search results. Number 5. Incognito mode. Another positive of incognito mode is that when cookies and extensions are disabled, the chances of a malicious app trying to steal your personal data are largely reduced. Number 4. Tor web browser. Use Tor website. Tor web browser helps you anonymize publishing, web surfing, instant messaging, and other functions using the TCP protocol. Number 3. DuckDuckGo. Use DuckDuckGo. It is also known as DDG, is an internet search engine just like Google. This search engine aims to protect the searcher's privacy and avoids the filter bubble of personalized search results. Number 2. Virtual machine. Use virtual machine. A virtual machine is a fake computer running inside your real computer, the programs you use. For example, internet browsers do the sandboxing work in the background to keep you secure. Number 1. VPN. Use VPN. Gains at least some anonymity online by hiding your true location. Protect yourself from being logged while torrenting. Hides your private information. Escape data throttling. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.